Hey, what's going on, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. Super stoked you guys are joining me today. I gotta make a quick run to Hornbach, which is like the equivalent of a Home Depot back stateside. I need to pick up some wood for making basically a ramp like this for my GTI, because my GTI doesn't fit on that because it's so low to the ground. So I'm gonna get 5 or 6 pieces of wood, screw them together, kind of like little step ups where I can get a jack underneath it where I can actually get the oil change, because I didn't get it done the other day. And I took all the pieces of brake rotors that I was using as step ups to the dump, so no more of that. So I'm gonna take a quick measurement of this, hop in the car, and head on up to Hornbach, pick up that and maybe a drill, because everything I have is 110. I'm tired of using a transformer because it's kind of a pain in the butt. Anybody know what 40 inches is in centimeters right off the top of your head? Because I don't. Hey Siri, what is 40 inches in centimeters?
40 inches is 101.6 centimeters.
So, I'll get 102 centimeters. Maybe 6 boards? That'll work. Alright, so that was a partially failed trip. Turns out they didn't have any corded drills. There wasn't an impact drill, and I don't need an impact drill, so no drill. And they weren't like, so like, you know, Home Depot or whatever back in the States, you can pick out a piece of wood and, you know, get it cut and trimmed to whatever length you need. They weren't doing that, I guess, due to the you know, low manpower and everything, since all, you know, all this crazy stuff happened with the virus and whatnot. But so basically just picked up some smaller like, I don't know, probably half-inch pieces, and I'll just glue those together or something, I don't know, and make the piece that I need to make for the ramps. But yeah, we got something, but not everything. So yeah, now I'm headed home. Cold start, anybody? Giggity. Alright, now to make a few measurements and do a few cuts. A little bit of screwing, maybe some gluing. I'll stop now. Okay, this is kind of where I'm, you know, thinking of going with it. Stagger them 4 to 6 inches, kind of roll up on it, and maybe have a stop up front in the front of the piece, so that I don't roll completely off of it, but I don't think I'll have that problem. Like I said, it just needs to be enough where I can get the jack underneath it, where I can do some maintenance on the bottom side. So, pretty basic idea, pretty simple to do, pretty cheap also. The struggle's real. that'll do. Alright, so like I was saying, real quick, we're gonna knock out an oil change real fast. Go through the engine bay and just kind of like wipe stuff down a little bit. Got little bits and pieces of dirt and grime and whatever around. That kind of drives me crazy. And then put the summer tires on. Now onto the tires. Oh man. Low cars, the struggle. All right, bringing in the big guns. Woo! Man, there's some nice hubcaps. Tomorrow's task.